Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the location tag from your Facebook cover photo using the latest update on the Facebook app for PC. If you've previously set a location and want a cleaner look for your profile, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head to the top of the page and click on your profile photo. This will take you straight to your profile. Now, with your profile open, look at your cover photo, the large banner image at the top. Click directly on your cover photo to bring up additional options. Under the photo, you'll see a row of icons and buttons. Find and click on the three dots located just below your cover photo. This brings up a menu with more actions related to your cover photo. From this menu, choose Edit Location. This will open the location settings specifically for your cover photo. If you previously added a location, it'll appear here. To remove the old location, just click the small X or backspace the location field, so it's completely empty. There's no need to add anything else. Confirm your changes by clicking Save or Done at the bottom of the pop-up window. After that, your cover photo will no longer display any location. Perfect for keeping your profile focused on your image or design, without any extra tags. That's all it takes to remove the location from your cover photo on the Facebook app for PC. A few quick clicks, and your cover photo has a totally clean look. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our channel for more quick social media tips. Thanks for watching.